Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to sync Trello with Apple Calendar. If you've ever struggled with keeping your tasks organized across different platforms, this guide will be a game changer for you. By syncing Trello with your Apple Calendar, you can streamline your productivity and ensure that all your tasks and deadlines from Trello are seamlessly integrated into your daily schedule on Apple Calendar. This way, you'll never miss a beat or an important due date. Let's dive right into it and make this process as simple and beginner-friendly as possible. The first step is to navigate to Trello.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and open up your preferred web browser to get started. As you land on the Trello homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the login button. Give it a click to begin the login process. You have several options here. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can simply enter your email address for a straightforward login. Choose the method that suits you best and proceed to access your Trello account. Once you're logged in, it's time to focus on the specific Trello board you want to sync. Carefully select the board, as this is the one whose tasks and deadlines will be mirrored in your Apple Calendar. With your chosen board open, look at the right-hand side of your screen to find the menu button. Click on it to reveal a variety of tools and features available for your board. Now you'll want to locate the option labeled Power-Ups. Click on it to explore enhancements that can add extra capabilities to your Trello boards. Among these power-ups, you'll find the calendar feature. Notice the small gear icon next to it. Click on this icon to delve into the settings for the calendar power-up. Here, you'll want to ensure you click on Enable Sync. This step is crucial. It allows your Trello board to link with your other calendar applications, including Apple Calendar. After enabling the sync, you'll notice a URL appearing labeled as your personal iCal feed. This URL is your key to making the connection between Trello and Apple Calendar. Highlight the iCal feed URL and use your system's copy function to copy it. Usually, this is Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. With the URL copied, it's time to switch over to your Apple Calendar application. Open Apple Calendar, and from the menu at the top of your screen, select File, then New Calendar Subscription. A dialog box will appear, inviting you to paste the URL you just copied. Go ahead and paste the iCal feed URL into the input field and hit Subscribe. This will seamlessly integrate your Trello board directly into your Apple Calendar. You can even adjust the sync settings to match your preferences, such as setting how often you want the calendar to refresh. And just like that, you've successfully synced your Trello board with your Apple Calendar. Now all of your Trello tasks and deadlines will appear right alongside your other calendar events. This integration makes it easier than ever to stay organized and manage your responsibilities effectively, bridging the gap between task management and scheduling. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to sync Trello with Apple Calendar. If you want more videos like how to sync Trello with Apple Calendar, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.